Hello? Yeah. Yeah, I got the phone. Yeah, I know I haven't done the video. I'm just, straight up late on doing the video. I should do it right now? For real? Think so? Think they're gonna watch? Think they even care about this phone anymore? I don't know. Alright, man. Yeah, I'm gonna do the video. Alright, peace. And there we go. We got the Supreme Burner phone, as I promised. I bet you guys probably thought I didn't have it, but I do have it. I was just being lazy. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. You probably already seen everybody else's video, so it's gonna be short and sweet type video. Let's go ahead and open up this thing. I'm trying to do this with one hand because I don't have a mounting tripod for the phone, which I probably need to get. So there we go. In all its beautiful, wonderful glory supreme. Check it out, y'all. Haven't even taken the plastic off of it. Now you can see these bubbles underneath the screen protector. If you buy one on resale, don't be alarmed because yeah, they come with bubbles underneath the screen protector just right out the gate. So it doesn't mean anybody's been messing with your phone. You're still gonna get the out-of-box experience, even if you got those bubbles. It's it's a burner phone from Blue. They're not really caring too much about how they throw this thing in the box. So hey, it is what it is. But look at that spell out. It is super clean, super crispy. What else do we have in the box here? Some stuff. See. I'm gonna open this up because I want to keep it clean. You got your charger, and then you got your battery. I haven't even taken a look at the battery because I haven't even turned it on. So you got the battery. It's branded Blue, bold like us. Very bold choice, Blue. Very, very bold by you partnering up and making a lot more money than you should have normally made. Very bold. And we got you a little micro SD card. Looks like it's 16 gigabytes. There we go. More pamphlets and stuff. In homage to somebody, we're gonna pluck it and file it to the side. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So that's about it. That is the phone. Video is way late. Not too much to say about the phone other than hey, it's a phone. It's pretty dope. It's definitely a high flex factor. Looks good in pictures and stuff like that if that's what you're going for, because I can't see anybody actually using this thing. It's probably something that you're just gonna keep and throw up on your shelf. You just be like, hey, I got the Supreme Burner phone. You don't. I'm ballin'. But there it is. Thanks for watching. Peace.